Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's about 9:30 here in Clintonville. As you can see, we got some more snow overnight from my deck. I would say approximately, give or take, I would say approximately 4 to 5 inches. Again, that's a meteorologist's prediction, so just thought I would put a video out for you guys and let you know that we went from 50 degrees and I didn't wear a coat on Thursday to this. So that's how, for those of you out of Wisconsin that never been here, this is how the weather can change in the winter. So again, it was like 50, it got up to the mid 50s on Wednesday, and this is what we got. It is now Friday, so, and we're wearing our jackets and it's pretty cold. So I'll sign off for now, but this is Wayne with WGWI News reporting.